Keep the end in mind. What do you need to know to get to where you want to be? You may not need a degree, but the actual experience. So you'd need to change jobs or accept a part-time job at night to develop your skills. More than ever, people are leaving their present occupations to learn a new trade and then starting at the bottom again to be happy in their work. Maybe you'll need to put in extra hours at work now so that you can save money to take the time off next year. Even though most entry-level positions are offered to the younger people, you can find many companies willing to give you a chance to change your occupation. Many times, you might find an older master willing to apprentice you to learn the skill or trade. Once you're enrolled to learn new skills, put everything towards learning. Apply yourself 100%. Take advantage of asking questions and getting criticism from teachers and fellow students. Read everything you can study well. It is your daily motivation and developing expertise that will get you ahead and closer to your goal. It's always a good time to learn more. Even if you are happy in your job, expanding yourself through education is a very rewarding activity. Take dancing or tennis, gourmet cooking, or sculpture. Any activity is taught and shared by many enthusiasts. Stop wasting time. Consider the most important things you need to accomplish. These are high priorities. Then think about those things that seem to take up a lot of time and get you nowhere. Those are the low priorities. Understand what's important to achieve and do those things first. Let go of all the busy work for paperwork that piles up. It's better for you to stack those low priorities somewhere else and finish the important material than to spend time clearing your desk to get down to the essential things. You'll be noticed more quickly for the big things you achieve than for keeping paper flowing. Don't let coworkers waste your time with chit-chat if you've got things to accomplish. Save that for lunch hours or for after-work social activities. Handle paper once. Decide the action and finish with it. Keep interruptions to a minimum and delegate responsibilities. Although you'd like to believe you're indispensable to the job and you are the only one to take care of many things, you can teach someone else and move on to your own goal achievements.